guys, it's Cheryl from Chic and Cheap. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. For those of you who watch me for a while, I know I've been MIA for probably a month and a half. After Christmas, I just took some time off. We started to do some projects in the house. I literally redid my whole upstairs, ripped out all the rooms of carpet and put all hardwood floor in, and I'm so excited about it. Well, actually it's not hardwood, it's wood. It looks like wood, but it's actually made of vinyl, but it has everything in it, and it's supposed to be better for your health. There's no formaldehyde in it or anything like that, and it's easy to clean, and I just love it. So I have one more room left to do, which is my main living room, and then the whole house is carpet free. So yes, on that one. Anyway, in today's video, I'm gonna show you some cute and fun Valentine's decor, but on like a more Victorian shabby chic style. So I'm also going to, in the description box below, show you some of my old videos with links to it of stuff that I did in the last few years for Valentine's Day, some of which I have over here. Like last year, this was one of the big hits, was this love sign that I made. I'll put the video in the description box below. These signs are available again this year at Dollar Tree. They are a heavyweight MDF. They almost feel like a solid wood. They're really good to have. I've seen so many people craft them in so many different ways. So I'll put that video there. Then I just made like a floral arrangement that I show you how to do. And also I made this sign here a few years back with a Dollar Tree frame and some petals and then just some letters. So that's just some of the stuff that I have done. So you could check that out. I've also made this love sign out of wood and flowers. So anyway, this year I'm going with like a pink and soft toned Valentine's look. I'm not so traditional into the red Valentine's theme. I love florals, I love Victorian, I love pinks, purples, rose tones, blush tones, more of a romantic side. I've always loved shabby chic, I've always loved florals, so that's the theme I'm going for, so I hope you enjoy it. With all that being said, enough of the chatter, let's get on to the crafting. Okay, so to start the project, I'm just going to use one of these glass bottles that I had purchased at Dollar Tree. They still sell them. They came in clear in a bunch of colors, but I love the clear ones because there's just so much you can do with them. A paintbrush, some pink chalk paint, Mod Podge, and then I went on Pinterest and just printed out some cute Victorian, like shabby chic tags. And I'm just gonna use one, and after I'm done painting the bottle, I'm gonna Mod Podge it on, and then we're gonna decorate the bottle into this cute Valentine's like shabby chic display piece to put out. And you could use it for all year round or for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you how I'm gonna start this. So let's get a piece of cardboard so I don't dirty my table here. 2 or 3 coats of the chalk paint. So let's get started. So this is just like, they call it like ballet slipper pink or like a soft pink chalk paint. You can use any color you want. I just love this pink one. I'm just going to go ahead and peel the plastic off the top and remove the cork from the top of the bottle. I'm just going to go ahead and paint it. And I know from painting these bottles in the past, it usually needs 2 to 3 full coats. And you have to let it completely dry in between, so that the paint doesn't start to peel off or like get stuck to it when you go over the second coat. So that's just a tip. Let it dry fully, then go ahead and give it a second coat, and then just touch up any spots that may need some touching up. So I'm just going to speed this process up and show you what it looks like when it's all done painted. So after that's done, we're just going to go ahead and cut out these little tags that I printed also on Pinterest. You can print anything you want basically off Pinterest, or you can use old napkins or old greeting cards or anything that you can Mod Podge on. So I just cut out 3, and I'm going to Mod Podge them and then place them and space them every so often on the bottle. And then once I'm done with that, I'll just embellish the bottle with trims or ribbon, which you can get at Dollar Tree, Michael's, Walmart, They all have the dollar sections where you can pick up some cute trims. So I'm just going to go ahead and just get some Mod Podge on the back of my brush, put it on the back of the paper, and then I'll go ahead and stick it on the bottle and put a coating over the bottle. Now, I didn't want to get the Mod Podge on the table, so I really should have had like a little plastic dish or something, so I didn't have to get it all over my fingers, but it is what it is. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and try to line it up and center it, smooth it out so that there's no wrinkles in the paper, and then just put a coating over the top of this one. Now here's the fun part of decorating the bottle with some laces and trims and ribbons. So I usually just hit my craft closet and see what I have. Most of my stuff, like I said, is from Dollar Tree, Walmart, or Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to take the iridescent strip and put the ribbon along the front of the bottle using some hot glue. And I'll probably add a piece along the bottom and then some other laces along the top. I'm just going to use whatever I have lying around the house. And basically I pick up a lot of stuff on sale at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, no more, soon to be AC More. I'm so upset they're closing. And Walmart, and I just usually keep clearance ribbon or dollar ribbon in the house, so when I have a project like this, I could easily just find something to accessorize with. So I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing this, and I'll show you what it looks like. Up to you how much ribbon or lace or trim you want to put on your bottle. I just always like to, add some, take a look, and then add some more, and then go back into my craft bin and see what other stuff I have just to make it that much cuter. So I'm just finishing up gluing the lace and the ribbon, and then I'm gonna add some more, and then when it's finished, I'm gonna finish it off with some pretty pearls. So here you can see I pretty much embellished it with some ribbon and laces that I had. And now I'm going to just go ahead and find some little pearl accessories that I have. And I'm just going to add them around the bottle. These little pearl accessories I picked up at Michael's a long time ago. They were $9.99 in a box, and I used one of those 55% off coupons. So the pearls, I think, just added the perfect finishing touch, and they're flat back pearls, so they're easily able to glue on. I think this came out really cute and shabby chic, and I just love it. So let's get started on the next project. Okay, so for this next one, you're going to need one of these Dollar Tree canvas boards, the ones that have the wood molding like frame in it, an X-Acto knife or a scissor, just something sharp to cut the canvas off the board, some Mod Podge, and then I went on Pinterest and I just typed in vintage Valentines, and that's what came out. And pick a design you like, and I just printed it. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and open this canvas board up, and what I want to do is remove the canvas from the wood frame, and then the side with all the staples we will leave. We don't need it, and we're going to paint the other piece of the wood and then reattach the canvas. So I'm just going to score the canvas down the side of the frame gently, enough to score it that I could rip it off but not damage the wood frame. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process and just show you how I cut off the canvas, removed it, and then what you would do is trim off the excess once you're done, and then you could leave the staples on the wood because you're going to flip it over. We're not really going to see it. So once I have the canvas removed, I'm going to take the image that I want and print it out. Then I'm going to use some of this, they call it ballet slipper pink or whatever, baby pink, whatever color chalk paint you want to use. So continue painting the whole canvas until it's fully covered. Chalk paint is great, usually only need one coat. You're going to let that dry and move on to the next part. Okay, so for this part, you're just going to use any kind of white craft paint, chalk paint, whatever you have on hand, and then just paint the frame, not the side with the staples. That's going to be the back side that we're going to glue on, so we're just going to make sure we paint the front, the top, and then like the inner side of the wood frame. The back with the staples, like I said, don't worry about, because that's where we're going to be running the hot glue to attach the canvas to the back side. So I'm just going to go ahead and coat this all with some white paint and then show you the next step. So once you have all the sides of the frame painted, you're just going to put that aside and let it dry. In the meantime, you're going to take your canvas back, and the canvas you're going to take whatever image you printed, or if you have an old greeting card, or if you have a pretty napkin or a pretty gift bag, whatever you decide you want to use. And you're going to get your Mod Podge out and a brush, and you're just going to Mod Podge the back, apply it to the canvas, Mod Podge over it, let it dry, and then you're going to take the frame and reposition it over it and hot glue it. So the part to finish this off is easy. You're just going to flip the wood frame back over, and the part with the staples, just run some hot glue along all 4 sides of the back of it. Then you're just going to flip it over and place it on top of your canvas piece. Press down securely and just pull, make it stretch. If you have any excess that you see hanging over the wood frame, you can just trim it off with a scissor. And that's pretty much it. Then I'm just going to go ahead now and get some Dollar Tree embellishments that I have that are Valentine's related, like little glitter hearts and some accessories, just to add to the frame, and maybe some ribbon just to finish it off and give it that cute personal touch. So here is what I did, and I'm going to show you the finished product. So as you can see here, I'm just going to use some of these embellishments with some of the glue from Dollar Tree, and then I had just some wood hearts and little foamy cutouts and stuff. Those were from Dollar Tree, and some of the other embellishments were from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. So you can still get them for cheap. Like these were from Hobby Lobby. These were $2.49, but they always have like 50% off their holiday decor, so they're really only like a little over $1. So I'm just going to now, after I put the ribbon in the top left corner, in the bottom right corner, I'm just going to add the heart. So it looks like the angel was pouring the bucket of hearts, and then there was like a big heart at the bottom. And I just went ahead and put some hot glue and some of the super glue from Dollar Tree, and here's the finished product. I think it's so cute and so darling. And you can also add, if you have like a glitter glue to the top, just to give it that little sparkle and sheen. Okay, the next project, we're going to use some more Dollar Tree products, a candle, a LED candle, a candle base, some ribbons, and all I'm going to do is embellish the outside of the candle with some of this burlap pink ribbon from Dollar Tree. I just love this one. They usually always have it, especially this time of year, so I like to stock up on the pastel colors for the spring. Then this heart-shaped ribbon I had picked up at, I believe this one was Dollar Tree. If not, it was Walmart, but it's still $1. I'm just going to make a cute little bow and just accessorize it a little and add a little bit of hot glue. And these are one of these LED flickering candles from Dollar Tree with the little switch on the bottom. And what's good about these is you can use them all year round and then just change out the decor on the outside. Here I'm just going to make a cute little bow for the bottom of the glass, and I didn't glue the candle to the base. I just placed it on there because the switch to turn the candle on and off is on the bottom. So I'm just going to use it like as a pedestal, how you would like a real candle. You just stick it on the base. So that's just what I'm going to do, and I think it's going to be a really cute for part of my table display. So here's this little area that I set up here. These are in a previous video, which I'll link in the description box below. And then this is just the bottle, which you can use all year for like a shabby chic or spring decor. And that was from Dollar Tree, some printables. This is a Dollar Tree candle, the base that I added some pretty stuff to, and you can use this also all year round. And then this real pretty canvas that I just reversed, printed a printable, and hot glued some stuff. These adorable angels I had gotten at a thrift store. They were 2 for $6, and I used them all year because I just love angels. And then this floral display I had made last year. There's a video on that. And then this year I just added this balloon from Dollar Tree that ties in the colors all together. So I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy DIYs that I used mostly Dollar Tree products on, and I hope you enjoyed how this little table display came out. So give this video a thumbs up and remember to leave me a message in the description box below letting me know which one of the 3 projects today was your favorite, and don't forget to check out the older Valentine's videos that I have done in the past few years. And let's get social. Follow me on Facebook and especially Instagram. I love chatting with everyone over on Instagram. And remember what I always say, love, peace, and blessings. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.